When looking at the national meet, the biggest hurdle and the biggest goal is to get there. You hate to be, on the outside looking in. So, to be at the meet, that's a great accomplishment. My goal for them is, one, to enjoy the experience. When I went to nationals, it was a lot of fun. And the atmosphere, that's what's going to kind of get them to swim fast, I think. It's not so much about the coaching now or the training or anything like that. More comes from within, and they're very rock solid mentally, and they've done a great job training-wise. I just expect them to do really well.
I think we've performed well. I think I've achieved all the goals that I wanted to so far in the season. Making it to nationals was one of my goals, even in the 4 years, not even this year, just somewhere in the next 4 years. And I think as a team, we performed really well because we came together as a team and all supported each other, and I think that's what matters in the end.
Well, my main goal was to just make it to nationals because I've missed it the last 3 years, so that was my main goal for the year. But my goals at nationals is to beat all my records in my 100 and my 200, so hopefully I can do that.
I think we as a team did a really good job this year. We get together and supported each other. We had a lot of records and did a good job at P6 too. We got third, so I think we should be pretty happy about that. And me personally, I think I did a good job too.
They can swim their seed times or even drop some time. That would be awesome. Obviously, like to go and score, and get the Edinboro name up on the scoreboard. That would be the biggest goal that we have for myself and for the team. So
I think I just want to gain experience for the next years. I already made it this far, so that is a really big goal in and of itself. So I think I just want to gain some experience for the coming years.
When I recruited, Holly and Goezde, I knew we had two special student athletes. But you always kind of wonder, how are things going to go? With the different training, being away from home for the first time, and they've really excelled well. They've done a great job. They've listened to what we've asked them to do, and have really succeeded well. I think what's really great for them is being freshmen. They understand the hard work they put in. Now they're going to see a great benefit for it, and that benefit will help them out for future years.
It was a new group, new people, new environment, and I think I could adapt pretty good. So yeah.
I don't swim with Lex because she's a sprinter, but Goezde really helped push me during practice. And at meets, she's always there to support me and everything. So between the both of them, they're always supporting me. So that really helps with my racing.
They've performed awesome, both of them, and they've pushed all the other freshmen to swim a lot faster, I feel. So.
And how would you assess Alexis, her career here at Edinboro? This is going to be her final meet.
I'm ecstatic for her. She didn't have quite the conference meet that we expected, and so for her to come back and get another opportunity to swim fast, I can't be happier for her. Coming in as a freshman, swimming some decent times and times that place her well at the conference meet, and then watch her progress into a school record holder, an all-conference swimmer, and now national qualifier. I think it's just great for her, and and again, great for our program.
I just try not to overthink anything because usually when I don't overthink, I swim best. So, just keeping that in mind and not overthinking my race will be the biggest thing for me.
I really don't think about the meet that much because I don't like to overthink it and mess everything up. So,
we talk about how they felt at the conference meet, and because we're in such a strong conference, it's not like we're going to a meet where they're going to get outswum or swim against people that are a ton better or anything like that or faster. It's we think about what they had to do to get to the conference championships and how they felt there, and then we just kind of focus on that. Try not to make more than what it is. It still comes down to swimming back and forth, and just making sure that they stay within themselves and just do a good job in that aspect.